In this video, I'll show you how to get PayPal routing and account number in a simple and clear way. There are two main ways to find this information, using the PayPal mobile app or using the PayPal website, and I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever is easier for you. First, let's start with the PayPal mobile app. Take your phone and open the PayPal app, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile or the menu option, which is usually in the corner of the screen. From there, look for an option that says direct deposit or something similar like see your direct deposit info. Tap on that option, and here you'll be able to see your PayPal routing number and your PayPal account number. These are the numbers you can use to receive payments, set up direct deposit, or transfer money into your PayPal balance. If you don't see the direct deposit option in the app, don't worry, you can also find this information on the PayPal website. Open your browser and go directly to PayPal using the official link, then log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear or cogwheel. Click on it to open your account settings. Inside the settings menu, find the section related to direct deposit or payments, and click on the option that says get your direct deposit info. On this screen, you'll see two important numbers. The routing number, sometimes called an ABA or transit number, is your PayPal routing number. The account number shown there is your PayPal account number assigned to your account. You can now copy or save these numbers and use them wherever they're required. Just remember to keep this information private and only share it with trusted services. And since you're accessing sensitive financial details online, it's a good idea to protect your connection. I recommend using NordVPN for extra security, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.